Simon picked 3 pounds of strawberries at a pick your own patch. At this particular patch, the cost is $1.50 for the pail and $3.99 for the pound of strawberries picked. So per pound of strawberries picked, sorry. If a linear equation is created to represent the situation and written in the form y equals mx plus b, which piece of the equation would the value 13.47 in this scenario most likely represent? So because we are dealing with linear equations, maybe it will help if we draw, if we draw the graph. So if I had my x and y axis, this is my x axis and y axis, and if I were, this is of course the origin 0, and this would be the money I'm paying, and this would be the strawberries, the quantity of strawberries I'm buying, so in pounds. So what happens is, you see, the fixed cost here is $1.50. So no matter how many strawberries I pick, I would have to buy a pail. So that is a fixed cost. So that would be 1.50. And then, so the line, it's a straight line, would start from there. So it cuts the y-axis at that point, 1.50, which means b is equal to mx plus b. So b would be equal to 1.50. And then if I were to pick 1 pound of Simon was to pick, 1 pound of strawberry, so I'd write here 1, and then the cost for that would be here, 3.99. And then if you're buying 2 pounds of strawberries, it would be 3.99 times 2, which is 7.98. So this value 3.98, 7.98 is just the cost of the strawberry, and to that you have to add the cost of the pail. So what we are doing is, you see the total cost, what it looks like, this y is the total cost, isn't it? So y is equal to mx. Now m is the cost per pound, isn't it? So m is 3.99 times x. So x is how much you're buying. The variable is telling you the pounds, the quantity of strawberry, and plus the 1 pound 50. Oh, sorry, $1.50. So this is the equation, I think, that it turns out, to represent this scenario. Now the question is, what is 13.47? So let us see what 13.47 is. If you were buying 1 pound of strawberry, you would pay 3.99 times 1 plus 1.50. That is 3.99 plus 1.50 is 9, 5, 14, 4 and 1 and 3, 4, 5.49. So what happens if you are picking 2 pounds of strawberries? So it would be, y would be 3.99 times 2 plus 1.50, and that is so they would pay 9.48. So then if you were similarly, now if I was buying 3 pounds, so it would simply be 3 plus 1.50. So that is equal to 13.47. So this is, of course, it's in dollars. So so that's the amount, or I should say y is in dollars, you know. So that is how. So definitely, so the answer would be, obviously it would be D, y. And that's it really. So thank you very much for viewing, and please do subscribe if you liked the video and if you found it useful.